Imagine standing on a starry night, gazing up, and witnessing our galactic neighbor Andromeda gracefully stretching across the night sky. Now, don't worry. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi film, but rather a distant reality slowly unfolding over millions of years. Welcome to our celestial spectacle, the forecasted merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies, an event often referred to as Paint the Sky Show. In approximately 3 billion years, Andromeda will span the full horizon as it inches closer to us. While this might sound alarming, rest assured, such grand cosmic events happen over vast timescales that, while profound, are leisurely in human terms. To understand Andromeda's celestial approach, we turn to the Gaia Space Observatory, which has provided us with invaluable data. Using Gaia vectors, scientists can track the positions and velocities of stars with remarkable precision. These vectors are like arrows pointing out how the stars, and indeed entire galaxies, are moving relative to each other. Through these data, we've discerned that Andromeda is on a collision course with our own galaxy heading straight for the Milky Way at about 110 kilometers per second. As Andromeda looms closer, gravitational interactions will grow in intensity, leading to extraordinary visual phenomena. One of the most striking of these is the formation of tidal tails. Picture two cosmic dancers, drawn by a mutual attraction, arms outstretched, a swirl of stars and gas trailing in sumptuous formations, a tidal tail. These tails are the result of gravitational forces pulling stars and interstellar clouds into elongated streams. As these galactic tails stretch and twist, they offer a visual story of the delicate yet powerful ballet of cosmic collision. The meeting between the two galaxies is not just a simple union, but a catalyst for feverish new star formation. When galaxies collide, their interstellar gas clouds, often stable and dormant, are jolted into action. The intense gravitational forces compress these clouds, igniting a flurry of new star births in what is known as a starburst. For Andromeda and the Milky Way, this dynamic event is expected to light up the universe with the fiery birth of countless stars, breathing new life into regions that have been silent for eons. Amidst these dramatic changes, what happens to our Sun and its family of planets? Surprisingly, despite the seeming chaos, it is highly probable that the collision will have little to no direct impact on our solar system's integrity. The vastness of space means that actual collisions between stars or planetary systems are unlikely. Instead, our Sun is expected to drift into a new orbit within the merged galaxies. The solar migration might cast us into a new region of stars, but it will not disrupt the Earth's orbit or the general structure of our solar neighborhood. For the amateur astronomers and stargazers who await this cosmic pageant, let's paint a timeline that fits in our backyard. Every 100 million years, Andromeda's visible expansion across the sky will increase by approximately 1 degree. It's a subtle growth, reminiscent of watching a plant mature through time-lapse photography. But over billions of years, each degree adds a brushstroke to a grand cosmic painting. Ultimately, when the merger reaches its conclusion, around 5 billion years from now, a new galaxy will emerge from the celestial dance. Scientists envision naming this cosmic entity Milkomeda, a fitting homage to the fusion of our Milky Way with Andromeda. The tale of Milkomeda is a reminder of the ever-evolving universe, where even galaxies, impossibly vast and ancient, are continually growing, merging, and transforming. And so, as we stand beneath the vastness of our night sky today, it's humbling to realize that our local universe is not static, but is instead painting a future of change and rebirth. As you contemplate this gradual yet stupendous event, may it inspire a sense of connection to the cycles of the cosmos, a dance that we are inextricably part of, yet barely perceive.